What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Cat's Coils. So at this time, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I washed this product out of my hair. So here's what the hair paint wax looks like in my hair on day 7. Definitely could have worn it for another 7 days, but let's go ahead and jump in the shower and get this washed out. So I just go ahead right away and start rinsing my hair out without my hair being braided or banded. And I know some of y'all gonna come for me because some of y'all locks will not be able to tolerate this, but my hair is braided at the bottom, so I'm not concerned with the slippage and all of that. I talk about that in my last video. But once I feel like most of the product, like on the surface, is rinsed out, as you guys can see here, most of the water is dripping clear, but there is some hair on the bottom that's not. But yeah, after I rinse it out, I proceed to braid my hair in medium sections all throughout my hair. And I do this to ensure that as I'm washing, I don't have any slippage or anything going on. So I'll be using the Tea Tree Special shampoo to wash my hair. And I start using the shampoo at my roots to work up a nice lather, making sure to get any product off of my scalp, in which there shouldn't be much of it because I did not use the hair paint wax on my scalp. But after I applied the shampoo, I went ahead and rinsed my hair, looking for any color to be rinsing out. And as you can see in the bottom, there was color rinsing out, so I really made sure to spend extra time on the back of my hair, rinsing it out. After rinsing, I just wanted to squeeze my braids to see how much color was rinsing out. And I saw some, so I went ahead and washed my hair again. This time, making sure to just get shampoo all over my hair, root to tip. Again, I wasn't too worried about slippage, so after the second wash, I went ahead and took down one braid at a time and made sure that each braid rinsed out clear, and I re-braided my hair. Once I was out of the shower, I kept the braids in for like an hour or so, and then I went ahead and unraveled each braid. My hair was about 60% damp still, as you can see. The braids hadn't really set yet, and so that's why my hair is not crinkly. But I just wanted to see what it looked like. I wanted to make sure that there was no indication that there was any color left, and there wasn't. But yeah, so that's all I have. That is how I washed out the hair paint wax out of my hair. I know some of you guys will be uncomfortable with this method because you're concerned with slippage, and that is valid. You want to make sure that your hair is at a stage where you are confident with rinsing your hair before you decide to use the hair paint wax. Because I did not feel concerned with rinsing my hair while it's in its loose state before I washed. I just didn't feel uncomfortable with rinsing my hair loose. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so you are updated every time I post a new video. Until next time, see y'all later. Bye.